Hello techies, welcome to day 8 of my 100 days coding challenge in JavaScript, and today I'm talking about the assignment operators. Yesterday, which is the day 7, I talked about two operators, the increment and decrement. I said the increment helps increase a value by 1 while the decrement helps us decrease a value by 1. So this was what we did in last class. I'm not going to comment this, I'm just going to leave it just in case I want to give an example. Okay, so right now I'm going to start with the addition assignment operator. The addition assignment operator is the same with, almost the same actually, with the increment operation. The increment operator adds one to a value, while the addition assignment operator allows you add more than one to a value. I'm going to comment this here. So this is the symbol for addition assignment operator, the plus sign and equal to. I explained earlier that when you write equal to, it means you're about to assign something to a variable. So the plus is the addition, then the equal to is the assignment there. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to say let's select my number equal to, I'm going to give it a value of 10. I'm going to come here and just write my number equal to 10. Then I'm going to reassign a value to my number. Okay, I need to write this in smaller, lowercase. Okay, I'm going to reassign another value to this. I'm going to say plus, that's the addition assignment operator, the plus and equal to. I'm going to write 4 here. Next I'm going to do is console.log. So go to our console to see that 4 has been added to 10. What I simply did here was create a variable storing the first value, which is 10, then reassign another value, which is 4, with the addition operator because I want to add something to 10. So here is, this will give us 14. That's what we have there. So this is how you do the addition assignment operator. When you want to add something to the already existing value, you want it to increase by 4. I can just create a cat and say for each time I click on this, let 4 be added to that number. So here, there's this another way to also add to the existing value. After you're assigning, we just say my number plus whatever you want to add to 10, which this will give us 30. But this is a longer method. This, after we're looking for something shorter, a quick way of doing things. This is plenty of codes. We could just simply do the first one. The first one is better, but this is another way of doing the addition, adding numbers to and adding a value to the already existing value. This is another way of reassigning. I'm just going to take this out because this is too much of code. I prefer the first method, adding the addition assignment operator. Had to go. I'm going to add the plus sign here. That's the addition assignment operator. 5. This will give us 15. Now console. So you see that's 15 there. So this is just a way of the shortest way of assigning a new value to the already existing value. The next we are going to look at is the subtraction. The subtraction assignment operator is similar with the decrement operator. So while the decrement reduces a value by 1, the subtraction allows you to reduce it by any value, any number. You can reduce it by 3, you can reduce it by 5, you can any number. That's what the subtraction assignment operator does. And it's just the same way of writing the addition. All you have to do is use the minus symbol. So this is it basically. This is how it is done. If I go to my console, you see that this will be 5 because 10 minus 5 is 5. So let me just quickly use the diagram I used yesterday, the example. So I'm going to use the plus operator for this. We use this for our increment and decrement to give an example. So I'm going to say the addition assignment operator. I'm going to use 4, for example. See that each time I click on this, it increases by 4. You saw that it was 1, then I clicked on it, it increased by 4, making it 5. Now I'm going to do the decrement here. So the subtraction assignment operation here, it should decrease by 2. So if I increase this, watch each time I click on it, if it decreases by 2. So that's what it does. The next assignment operator I'll be looking into is the division assignment operator. I'm going to take this back to its original. Then I'm just going to comment this out. Copy. Then I'm going to write the division assignment operator. The division assignment operator is used to divide a value. So if you want to divide something, you can or you want to carry out a divide operation to divide your value, or a customer's price, you want to divide it, whatever, you can use the division. The only thing we are doing here is removing the symbol from minus to slash. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. The console will give us 2. You can use this to calculate taxes. Yeah, so it's as simple as this. The next assignment operator I'll be looking at is the modulus assignment operator. I'm going to write this here, modulus assignment operator. The symbol for this is the percentage symbol. Okay, so this is used to return a remainder. So if I have 17 here and I want to divide 17 by 5, the remainder will be returned, which is 2. Let me set this. We'll set this to 17. So this will, the slash, I have to remove that to percentage. So this will return 2. I'm going to go to our console. So this is what the modulus operation does, the modulus assignment operation. Remember, there's a percentage, then equal to, then 5. Changing this to 11, this will return 1. If both values were even numbers, then it would have returned 0 for us, because you cannot divide an even number and get a remainder. The remainder will surely be 0 because nothing will remain. So this is what the modulus simply does. It returns the remainder of the values that we've divided. Next thing I'm going to talk about is the multiplication assignment operator. This is just the same thing as multiplying. All these symbols are the same thing as the normal symbols that you already know. So I'm going to use the asterisk for this. Just one asterisk, then the assignment operator, equal to asterisk, then equal to. Now this will give us what? 50, because 5 times 10 is 50. So the multiplication assignment operator is used to times the value by any number. So I use 5 to times this value, 10 times 5. So I want the first value to be times by 5. So it gave me 50. So the multiplication operator allows you to times a value by any number. If you are lost about this operation, just go back to the basic arithmetic operations I covered in day 6. See you in the next challenge. Bye.